This is Busy Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you how to let your contacts find you on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Snapchat allows users to sync their device contacts to the mobile applications in order to find any friends and family member that may also use the apps. When someone syncs their contact to Snapchat app, they can quickly add those contacts as friends. So on my previous video, I've shown you how to stop your contacts finding you on Snapchat. But now, what if you want to let them know that you're on Snapchat? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can just go to your settings by tap on the upper right corner here. You can just scroll down. On the privacy control section, there is an option, contact me. You can just tap on that. So in here, you can change from friends to friends and contact. So your friends on your contact can find you that you're on Snapchat. So simple, right? So that is how to let your contacts find you on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.